Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code DTC P2138 indicates a malfunction with the accelerator pedal position, APP, sensor A and/or B. This error arises when the voltage correlation between these two sensors does not match up according to the Powertrain Control Module, PCM. The APP sensors work by signaling the throttle position to the PCM, which in turn controls engine performance. Abnormal voltage deviations between APP sensor A and B can trigger this DTC, compelling the PCM to store the error code. This issue is critical as it can affect vehicle acceleration and overall engine responsiveness. Given that this diagnostic issue involves specific components, understanding their roles and locations is vital for accurate troubleshooting. The core issue, described by DTC P2138, revolves around a voltage deviation between the two APP sensors. These sensors are integrated into the accelerator pedal module, which is typically located on the vehicle's floor near the accelerator pedal. The APP sensors track how far the accelerator pedal is pressed and send this data to the PCM, which uses it to control the throttle. Therefore, any discrepancy in the voltage output from these sensors indicates a possible malfunction affecting the engine's power delivery. Correct functioning of APP sensors A and B is crucial for normal vehicle operation. This voltage mismatch can lead the vehicle to behave unexpectedly, especially in terms of acceleration response. Several potential causes can lead to the P2138 error code. First, shorted wire connections may disrupt the signals from the APP sensors to the PCM. This can happen due to wear, corrosion, or damage to the wiring harness. Second, a faulty APP sensor could directly affect the voltage correlation because if one sensor is sending incorrect readings, the PCM will detect this inconsistency. Third, a malfunctioning PCM could incorrectly interpret the voltage signals from the sensors. Each of these issues requires methodical inspection to identify the root cause and ensure proper functionality of the vehicle's acceleration system. When DTC P2138 is triggered, specific symptoms may manifest. One of the most alarming signs is a lack of throttle response, which could seriously hinder the vehicle's drivability. Drivers may also experience unexpected stalling, particularly during acceleration, indicating that the APP sensors are not communicating effectively with the PCM. Furthermore, the check engine light, CEL, will typically illuminate, serving as a warning sign that a fault has been detected. These symptoms highlight the importance of addressing the issue promptly to ensure safe driving conditions and optimal engine performance. The first troubleshooting step for addressing DTC P2138 involves placing the vehicle in the on mode while pressing the accelerator pedal fully to the floor. This is a crucial diagnostic action that allows the technician to assess the vehicle's response as well as collect initial data on APP sensor performance. It's essential to ensure that this initial test is performed without any obstructions or issues that might interfere with the accelerator pedal's operation. Observations from this step will give insight into how the PCM responds to the APP sensors under load and may indicate whether the problem lies with the sensors or the wiring. Step 2 involves a thorough inspection of the external circuit associated with the APP sensors. Wiring issues, such as shorts, can significantly affect the voltage signals from the sensors to the PCM. Using diagnostic tools, the technician should check the APP sensor connections for integrity and continuity. If a shorted condition is found, it indicates that the wiring may be compromised or damaged. This inspection is crucial as unresolved wiring issues could lead to ongoing operational faults despite potentially replacing components that seem faulty. In the third troubleshooting step, focus shifts to confirming the function of the APP sensors. This involves using a Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to verify the voltage readings for APP sensors A and B. When the accelerator pedal is pressed to various positions, the HDS should display corresponding voltage values. Ideally, APP sensor A's reading should be approximately twice that of APP sensor B. If the values do not align with this expectation, it indicates a problem with the sensor, potentially necessitating replacement. Consistent readings are critical for the vehicle's acceleration performance, and any abnormalities should prompt further investigation. The fourth step involves inspecting the APP sensor components for potential internal faults. This requires disconnecting the PCM connector and using the HDS to jump the SCS line, preparing the vehicle for a detailed assessment. The technician should ensure there is no continuity in the APP sensors, meaning they function correctly without unintended connections that could cause signal issues. If continuity is detected when it shouldn't be, this typically suggests a failure in the APP insulation or circuitry, which may require replacing the entire accelerator pedal module to rectify the fault. The final troubleshooting step concerns assessing the powertrain control module, PCM, for functionality. If previous tests confirmed that both APP sensors and their circuits are operational, yet the DTC remains, the issue likely lies within the PCM itself. This step involves using diagnostic tools to ensure the PCM is processing signals accurately and effectively controlling the engine's operation. Should faults be detected within the PCM, it may need reprogramming, repair, or even replacement. This step emphasizes the importance of confirming that all components are functioning harmoniously to maintain optimal vehicle performance. Once all troubleshooting steps have been completed and repairs made, it's essential to verify the repairs effectively. This involves clearing the DTC from the vehicle's system using a compatible scanner or diagnostic tool. After clearing the code, a test drive should be conducted to ensure the vehicle operates correctly under various conditions and the DTC does not reappear. Paying attention to the vehicle's throttle response during this test is crucial, as it provides practical insights into whether the repairs have remedied the issue. Successful verification means the vehicle's acceleration functionality is restored and safe for normal operation. To prevent future occurrences of DTC P2138, regular maintenance is essential. Technicians should routinely inspect the APP sensors as part of scheduled vehicle checkups, ensuring they are clean and free from debris or corrosion. Additionally, securing all electrical connector points is crucial, as dirt and moisture can lead to poor connections that might cause wiring shorts or signal failures. Regular maintenance checks can significantly reduce the risk of unexpected malfunctions, ultimately extending the lifespan of the components and enhancing vehicle reliability. In summary, DTC P2138 highlights an issue with the correlation between accelerator pedal sensors, which is critical for engine performance and throttle response. Proper troubleshooting and identification of the problem require a step-by-step approach that includes checking circuits, sensors, and ultimately the PCM if needed. Addressing this code promptly ensures the vehicle operates safely and efficiently. Additionally, implementing preventive maintenance can help avert similar issues in the future. Overall, understanding the roles of the components involved and their interactions is essential for effective diagnostics and repair. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time!